This video is about use of a smartphone in meat industry, and then the picture above is about the meat, and then the industry where the people are working in the meat industry. And my topic is about the technology used in the meat industries, and the technology is smartphone. And smartphone is also used in the supermarket, and with the help of smartphone we even can tally the price of different places and different shop in the meat industry or in the supermarket, and then we can choose a perfect price or a cheap price and the good quality, and we can purchase the goods. And beside smartphone, the next technology is digital machine. These days, digital machine had been used even to weight and scale the meat. And also in the supermarket, we even can use the digital machine in order to check the weight of the goods. And also we can pay by ourselves. We don't need any help of any other person in the supermarket. And beside the consumer, even the seller can have an opportunity of the benefit, that is they don't have to hire any other staff for the checking out service. This is the picture of checkout process, and then the smartphone, the connection between smartphone and then checkout service. And these days, because of smart technologies like smartphone, people are being busy in the smartphones. Thank you so much.